G'day guys, welcome to Devlog, number 3. Well, it has been a minute. Okay, not a minute, more like 2 weeks, but here we are, back at it again, with another Devlog. Sadly, we got kidnapped by school and had to finish up some annoying stuff there, school stuff, so that's why we were a week late. Anyways, here we are. Devlog number 3, and we've done quite a bit in these past 2 weeks. First, I have finished up the movement system. For now, until I inevitably have to rework it to be cleaner and better down the line, as is the norm in programming. I've also implemented some turn-based movement in a very, very crude way. Why do I suck at programming? Okay, so, as you can see, there's 2 characters and there's some code there that makes them move one at a time. For now, there is no ending for a level yet, so these 2 are stuck in the scene for infinity. Or, until I get to implementing some sort of ending, but for now, that is on the backlog. Next up, dealing damage. Kinda important in a strategy game. So I went ahead and created a character class that has a method to, deal damage to another character. Surprisingly enough, this actually worked from the first time. And now, when a character reaches 0 HP, it's bye-bye game object and it vanishes. No death animation, no fancy dying or anything, just straight up deleted, not to be seen again. Gotta love game object.destroy. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button if you enjoyed our series. Okay, thanks, continuing on with the video. As you may have noticed in the background, I also switched from IDE. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't really hate Visual Studio. It's definitely not bad to use, but it's just, a bit much for me. And that's why I changed to Visual Studio Code, which is more my size, if you get what I mean. Also, there might be some of you who are wondering how me and Maud are working together. Well, we use Git, which is a sort of version control, and can be really easy to use once you get used to it. The basics go like this: add files, commit files, and send it off to the online repository with a little push. To get the changes that someone else has pushed, you just gotta pull. And boom, version control in a nutshell. If you want us to make a tutorial or anything on how to set this up in 5 minutes with Unity, let us know. Last thing I've done is work a bit on the camera. We obviously don't want you to, be stuck at one place, so now you can move the camera in all directions and zoom in and out. I said, now you can move the camera in all directions and zoom in and out. Good. That's mostly it from what I've done. But I am not alone in this endeavor. So Maud has a few things he's done as well that I'll list now. He did a few small tweaks and quality of life updates to the already existing code, but his focus still has mostly been on spriting. He started working on the start screen, which is, important. I do like my games to have a play button and an exit button. It wouldn't be much of a game without them. As for the spriting, he made these buttons that are used in the start screen. He's also started on the first actual good character sprite, but since it's not quite to his liking yet, he didn't want to show it. So, stupid character, aka Dave, that's what we're going for now, gets to stay another week. He also made some corners for the walls, cause, corners are, necessary? Ah well, anyways. Next up on the good old spriting list, he's tried creating sigils for the different nations in Lyra, with different sorts of successes there. There's also been some updates to the lore, which, if you guys are interested, we can make into a separate video. There's also been some color tweaks in the existing sprite, and the text in Lyra has been made to look a bit more smooth and clean. Once again, thank you all for watching. We love to see the positive responses and we aim to please you all. If you have anything you'd like to see in the game, leave a comment down below. Also, for some more consistent news and stuff like that about Lyra, follow us on Twitter. The link to our Twitter will be in the description. And if you want to see our previous devlog, click right here in the middle of the screen. You know, that nice rectangular shape, you know you want to. Alright, thanks for watching.